Hello friends, let us start with the topic of real analysis. The first and foremost concept that we need to study about is neighborhood. So the distance between any two real numbers is given by the modulus of x minus y. Many problems in real analysis are based upon the idea of 2 points being close to each other. Now, closeness is kind of a vague concept. It changes from person to person. From the point of view of mathematics, to define the closeness between 2 points, we take the help of a number which is very small positive number known as epsilon. Now, if we are given some positive number, say epsilon, then we look for all the points y that are at a distance less than epsilon from x. Then we write the set of all y such that x minus y is less than epsilon. Now let us understand what do we mean by neighborhood. Let x belongs to the set of real number and let epsilon greater than 0 be a small positive number. Then the neighborhood of x is a set represented by n, x, and the distance which we are considering is epsilon. So n x epsilon is equal to the set of all y belongs to the set of real numbers such that mod of x minus y is less than epsilon. So the number epsilon referred to as the radius of the neighborhood. This is the neighborhood of x, and it is from the point x minus epsilon to x plus epsilon defined on the real number line R.